So is PayPal still under $30? Depends on who you ask. Let's revisit the scene of the crime. This is the monthly chart, and price declined back in 2021 into 2022 and hit a bottom in 2023, forming a monthly bias level at $8. You see this extended range green candle. As it went higher, it did form a daily bias level. But more importantly, it formed a monthly buys low at $14 based on this rally, basing candle on rally. It did hit resistance, which was support in the past at $20, and it gave investors multiple opportunities to get in to go long. And eventually, price went higher, closed above this support resistance band on this extended range green candle, and now we have prices basing. And you can see that a little better on the weekly chart. And we have yet to see a candle weekly close above $26. Now, before we continue with the analysis, let's look at this article. It is coming from the Motley Fool. Should you buy Palantir stock while it's below $30 per share? So Palantir stock has become one of the darlings of the AI industry. The company has long used AI to power its Gotham and Foundry platforms. However, the launch of a new platform has AI investors looking at Palantir in a new light. Still, the stock's gains have paused since early February, when it was at the mid-20s per share level. Now, does this mean investors should buy while it's under $30, or does the stock price behavior mean the rally is over? Let's take a closer look. The most likely reason investors may not want to buy now is that they think the stock's price has moved ahead of its valuation. The company's stock price has quadrupled since late 2022, and we kind of saw that. Now, Palantir has only reported a profit for the last 5 quarters, so investors would likely be right not to worry about a 255 P ratio. Nevertheless, its forward P ratio is 70, and it sells for an elevated price to sales ratio of 24. At such levels, investors might assume the market has priced Palantir for perfection. Now, moreover, Palantir has developed a meme stock status in the minds of some investors. Increasingly, the danger of the stock price will become detached from its fundamentals. Some say it has already detached from the fundamentals based on the high valuation. Just to point that out. Now, investors may have some more reasons of the company's recent profitability to start believing in the stock. This is the reasons why you could see price move higher, by the way. Despite the increase over the last 16 months, the stock sells at a discount of just under 50% from its all-time high. Additionally, optimism about its latest product release could mean the stock run up in the stock price is not just meme driven hype. Last year, Palantir launched its Gen AI driven artificial intelligence platform. Alright, so given current conditions, how would you buy a Palantir stock? It's arguably a more critical question than whether you buy right now. Under current conditions, investors should add shares slowly, if at all. Again, this is not my opinion. This is the author of this article's opinion. Due to its valuation and the rise of short sellers, the stock could pull back in the near term. However, this artificial intelligence platform is offering customers eye-popping productivity improvements. This makes considerable revenue increases more likely, particularly in its U.S. commercial segment, assuming Palantir meets such heightened expectations. Its bull run can continue even from current levels. Alright, now, what's my personal opinion? I think price is going higher in the medium to longer term. As soon as we get a candle close above this $26 level, as you can see, if you scroll to the left, you can see you have these rejection wicks, support, resistance, support, resistance. And so once you get a candle close above $26, the next target becomes 30, which is where you had resistance in the past. Now, all-time high is roughly $45. I do think we get there towards the end, by the end of the year, or going into early 2025. So 2 ways to play this: combine a pullback to the $20 level, which was the previous resistance support band, or you can play it on a close and then a breakout above $26. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.